Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now, close Valorant and the Riot client and kill leftover processes in Task Manager so files aren't locked. Once done, run the Riot client as administrator so repair can replace protected files. Navigate straight to the settings or game options and find the repair or scan tool. This initiates an integrity check. Make sure you back up any local configs or keybind files first, because repair can overwrite corrupted user data. Once the built-in repair starts, let it complete the full scan and automated redownloads. Interruptions cause partial files. If repair stalls, close the client and manually delete the game's logs and saved cache folders so the client fetches fresh copies. Make sure you're not on a VPN and that your connection is stable. Aim for 10 Mbps or better, because corrupted downloads often come from flaky networks. Also update graphics drivers and Windows before rerunning repair. After repair completes, restart your PC so services reset, then relaunch the Riot client as administrator and test the game. If corruption persists, uninstall Valorant and Vanguard completely, remove leftover folders, and do a clean reinstall. This resolves deep file corruption. If you still see errors, collect the /Riot game's logs and note exact error messages, then submit them with a short description. One quick tip: a full
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.